Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, issued a stark warning to Washington in his 2025 shareholder letter. He emphasized the importance of fiscal responsibility and expressed deep concern about excessive government spending. Buffett, known for his long-term vision and sharp economic insights, cautioned against the dangers of runaway deficits and their potential impact on the U.S. economy. Buffett's message was clear: the government needs to get its financial house in order. He argued that unchecked spending could lead to inflation, devalue the U.S. dollar, and ultimately harm American businesses and citizens. This warning, coming from one of the world's most successful investors, carried significant weight and resonated throughout the financial world. Buffett's concerns were not limited to government spending. He also stressed the importance of a stable U.S. dollar. He highlighted the dollar's role as the world's reserve currency and warned that excessive printing and debt could undermine its stability. A weaker dollar, he argued, would erode purchasing power and make it more expensive for Americans to import goods and services. The U.S. dollar is the lifeblood of the global economy, Buffett wrote. We must treat it with the respect it deserves and avoid policies that could jeopardize its long-term health. These words served as a reminder that economic stability relies on responsible fiscal management and a commitment to sound monetary policy. Despite his concerns about the broader economic landscape, Buffett remained optimistic about the future of Berkshire Hathaway. The company reported record annual operating profit of $47.44 billion, a testament to its diversified portfolio and strong management team. Berkshire's cash reserves also swelled to an unprecedented $334.2 billion, providing significant firepower for future investments. This financial strength, Buffett explained, was a direct result of Berkshire's long-standing investment philosophy: patience, discipline, and a focus on intrinsic value. He reiterated his belief in the resilience of the American economy and his confidence in the companies Berkshire owns. "We're not in the business of timing the market," Buffett wrote. "We're in the business of owning great businesses for the long term." Buffett also addressed the topic of succession planning in his letter. At 94, he acknowledged that the time for a leadership transition was approaching. He expressed full confidence in his chosen successor, Greg Abel, praising his capital allocation skills and deep understanding of Berkshire's culture. "Greg is the right person to lead Berkshire into the future," Buffett wrote. "He has the intelligence, integrity, and temperament to navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead." This clear endorsement reassured investors and provided a glimpse into the future leadership of the conglomerate. Buffett's shareholder letter also provided insights into Berkshire's current investment strategy. He acknowledged that the market environment remained challenging, with high valuations and limited attractive investment opportunities. As a result, Berkshire had been a net seller of stocks for 9 consecutive quarters, including a reduction in its Apple holdings, although it remained Berkshire's largest holding. Despite this cautious stance, Buffett remained a staunch advocate for long-term equity investing. He emphasized the power of compounding and the importance of owning businesses with durable competitive advantages. He cautioned against market timing and short-term speculation, urging investors to focus on fundamentals and invest in companies they understand. "The stock market is not a casino," Buffett wrote. "It's a mechanism for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient." This timeless advice served as a reminder that successful investing requires discipline, a long-term perspective, and a willingness to ride out market fluctuations. Buffett's 2025 shareholder letter was more than just a review of Berkshire Hathaway's performance. It was a call to action for policymakers and citizens alike. He urged Americans to address the challenges facing the nation, including income inequality, climate change, and the need for infrastructure investment. He emphasized the importance of education and opportunity, arguing that a well-educated workforce was essential for America's future prosperity. Buffett also called for a more equitable tax system, one that requires the wealthiest Americans and corporations to pay their fair share. "America's greatest asset has always been its people," Buffett wrote. "We need to invest in our people and create an economy that works for everyone, not just a select few." This message resonated deeply, reminding readers that economic success is intrinsically linked to the well-being of all citizens.